What is blockchain? When people talk about blockchain, they automatically think cryptocurrencies. But Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. Blockchain is one type of distributed ledger which uses independent computers to record, share, and synchronize transactions in their respective electronic ledgers and is being adopted by progressive governments and forward-thinking businesses globally. The World Economic Forum published a report that stated over US $5 trillion of enterprise and government entity systems and technology will be rebuilt using blockchain solutions in the next 10 years. Blockchain is used to executive agreements through smart contracts, enabling automated trading that cannot be tampered with, can be trusted, and is recorded. This opens the floodgates to a number of new use cases. There are two types of blockchain, public and private. A private blockchain provides performance and scalability, but it cannot be trusted because it is controlled by a single entity. A public blockchain provides complete trust because it is decentralized, but it doesn't offer scalability and performance. Traditional private and public blockchains do not meet the requirements set by businesses and governments, who need to serve their stakeholders and customers and add new technology while still using their existing skills and technologies. The majority of blockchain providers are missing the platform, development, and interrogation enterprise and deployment blueprints to take full advantage of the blockchain capabilities available. They lack the execution intelligence required to bring a client project to completion. That's why hybrid blockchains will be the next disruptor, seamlessly combining public and private blockchains to connect everything from the cloud to businesses and consumers. Hybrid blockchain generates trust between parties who do not inherently trust each other, while still providing decentralization, performance, and scalability. Using hybrid blockchain, governments and enterprises can build new ecosystems in which they can distribute their business logic and data across their supply chains without losing trust or data privacy. This is the transformative effect of blockchain. What is Blocko? Blocko is a Samsung-backed South Korean-based company that has been helping clients to experiment and implement blockchain solutions for over 5 years. We are a platform company that provides technology, application capability, and the execution intelligence to make blockchain work for organizations. We only do blockchain. We don't do databases. We don't sell hardware. In the last 3 years, we have moved from experimentation into real production. We have productized blockchain for enterprises and governments who are serious about building blockchain systems, supporting them to further innovate, embrace, and deploy high-scale blockchain solutions. Blocko supports over 20 enterprise clients with solutions in place that serve more than 25 million end users daily. In 2019, Blocko established itself in the UAE to extend its services to the wider GCC region, with the aim of addressing the most demanding and complex problems being traced by organizations seriously considering embracing the advanced digital ecosystem with blockchain solutions. What is Ergo? Blocko works with customers to directly implement use cases around its hybrid blockchain product called Ergo Enterprise, which is based on the open source blockchain technology called Ergo. Many blockchain technologies are still in the proof of concept phase, are too complex to use, or do not have the capabilities to provide the performance and scale required to secure millions of devices and users. As the world's first true in-production hybrid blockchain architecture, Ergo breaks through these barriers, unlocking new features that provide increased levels of efficiency, security, scalability, and value. Ergo's high performance, efficient consensus, and ease of development enables the seamless exchange of assets such as information, tokenized goods, and supply chain registries. Having already built 38 full-scale enterprise blockchain solutions in South Korea for companies including Samsung, Cisco, Hyundai Motors, Gyeonggi-do Province. We are now ready to join forces with organizations in the region who are ready to embrace blockchain to leverage existing IT or cloud infrastructure for better returns on investment and capital expenditure. Here's how Ergo works in the real world. Identity authentication, Lati card. Ergo's core technology streamlined the payment process for users and enhanced data control when working with trusted third-party security firms. Reduced security expenditures by 90%. Made payments 80% faster. Payment settlement. The Korean exchange KRX, Ergo reduced the time it took to settle transactions. Transactions settled in 1 to 3 days, down from 5 days. US $78 million saved. Secure e-voting. Zhengjido, voting app built in Ergo's core technology. Complete selection of over 500 community projects. Document Management, Ministry of Science and ICT, and the Korea Internet and Security Agency, KISA, Ergo used to manage real estate documents in an automated and trusted way. Transparent collaboration on document verification, prevention of frauds and forgeries, saved hundreds of millions annually. If you are a company that deals with data, you are in the supply chain where you have to interact with other parties, or you have problems with fraud, data leakage, or complexity with your ecosystems, we can resolve many of these issues. Ergo's hybrid blockchain can streamline operations, improve data transparency, and help you do things you cannot do with a simple database. Ergo, it's not a blockchain, it's the blockchain for business.